Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Yamaha XT250 Dual Sport. This thing is showroom condition. 516 miles. Bike is perfect. Single cylinder, 250, electric start. Come on by, make your lightweight dual sport dreams come true for just $44.99. Not a flaw on this bike. It's really, really cool. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.